Hey everyone, I'm Laura, and welcome to Project Nomad. I'm a former truck driver for over 13 years, turned mom and weekend warrior. I have well over 1,000,000 miles in a commercial rig under my belt, and I'm here to help you navigate what can feel like an intimidating idea of exploring the world by vehicle on more than single-day trips. On this channel, we're going to talk about all things car camping, boondocking, soft-roading, and travel in the West in general. Regardless of the term you use, it all boils down to exploration by vehicle that doesn't involve the Motel 6 down the road. So the focus here is going to be about getting outside with the vehicle that you have. There's no need to spend thousands of dollars converting a Jeep or a truck to run heavy trails, unless that's what you want to do and you have the resources to do so. Not all of us have the money or the space for a Class A motorhome or convert a Sprinter to van life. People are exploring the world around them in all kinds of vehicles, even Priuses. So don't let the vehicle that you own now stop you from getting out there. I'm a mama too, so during the Monday to Friday life, my 2014 Santa Fe has to be the grocery getter. It has 2 car seats in the back. It needs to do double duty, and that really is what utility means for me in a sport utility vehicle. At one point, I have car seats and groceries in the back, and in 5 minutes, I can throw my gear in, and it's a really small micro camper. There's honestly very little special about this car. It's a nondescript soccer mom mobile that would honestly blend into any Walmart parking lot. I know, because I have lost it in the parking lot in the silver SUV sameness that seems to be Northern Utah. I've been working on finding a system that works for me for the last couple of months. I started out with just a sleeping bag rated for winter and some food in the back and called it a camping trip. I've since moved on to making a bed platform from plywood that I recently swapped out for a PVC frame to save space and a little bit of weight. You'll find that you'll change your system as well as you go on, so don't be afraid to experiment a little bit. I've also since added a roof box and a DIY awning setup. We'll cover that in another video as to how I set that up and how to make it work on any vehicle that you might have as well. Like everything, you really won't know what works for you until you try it out yourself. So, come hang out, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so I can let you know when a new video drops, and let's get out and explore together. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one.